Hey everybody, welcome to our first how-to guide on Multifamily Insiders. As this is the first guide we've done, please take a moment to comment on the guide and tell us what you think about it. So for our first guide, we are going to show you how to write your own blog. So first we're going to click on My Blog in the My Dashboard section. Now on this page, you're probably not going to see that much unless you started writing blogs already. So we're going to first set up your blog overall. So go ahead and click on Preferences and enter your blog title and description. And this is for your overall blog, not necessarily for an individual blog post. Go ahead and hit Submit. And then come back up here and hit My Entries. And we are ready to start writing our first blog post. Go ahead and click Write New Entry. And this will bring up the blog writing utility for Multifamily Insiders. At the very top, you want to put in your blog title. So we'll just go ahead and put Sample Blog. And then in the main pane here, you can either start writing your blog in here, or you can copy and paste it from a different program. If you're using Microsoft Word, be very careful because Microsoft Word tends to change the formatting of the text. So I tend to use the Microsoft Notepad since it's very small, lightweight, and it doesn't change the formatting. So I copy it, hit Control V, come back over here, let's do Control V one more time, and insert, and now my blog is in the blog writing tool. Now we can go ahead and format the blog any way we want. So we can, let's say, bold our text, we can add a bullet list, a number list, we can also add images, and there's two different ways to do this. We can first hit this little icon, and this is for when we have an image already on the internet. And so all we can do is just copy the URL for the image, paste it in here, and then you'll see the preview of the image right here. And so we go ahead and hit the image description and title, and insert, and we're all set. And now our image is in the blog post. But let's say, for example, that your image is still on your computer. So what we'll do is we'll go over here to Images and Documents, and we'll go ahead and upload an image. And we can use these images that we upload anytime we want. So we'll go ahead and we'll check off Lisa Trozine, hit Upload. Now we've already actually uploaded her image, so it says File Exists, and now we can just click on her image, and now her image is in our blog post as well. And we can manipulate that image as much as we want. We can make it larger, smaller, whatever we want. We can center it on the page, or we can, let's say, make it linked to another place. So let's just, for the fun of it, link it back to multifamilyinsiders.com. And you can add your title of your link, and hit Insert, and now it's linked to a different page. So now we've gotten our text, we've gotten our images, and this is generally where people finish their blog. They save it and close it, and that's when they're done. But really they're missing two important aspects. First, you want to come up here to Publishing Options, and then hit Meta Info. And Meta Info is how search engines categorize content on the internet. So basically, if you want Google to find your blog on the internet, you need to put in your meta info. So first, put in your keywords. Let's say, for example, my blog was about resident retention and apartment marketing. So I would just type in resident retention, and then separate the keywords or key phrases with a comma, and then type in apartment marketing. And then we put our description in, and let's say just a blog about our summer party, a resident luau. So now we've got our meta information in here. So now we can hit tags, and tags are like meta information in that they're keywords, but they're both for search engines and also Multifamily Insiders, so people can find your blog posts. So what we'll do is we'll hit Browse, and we'll find the keywords that fit our blog post best. So again, we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit apartment marketing and resident retention. We're going to check both of those off. And then we just hit assign. And as you can see now, these two tags are assigned to our blog post. Now, it's very important that you only assign tags and keywords that apply to your specific blog post. Search engines will actually punish you for having too many tags and too many keywords that don't really apply to your blog post. So really keep them limited to what you're actually talking about. And now you're done. Go ahead and hit save and close. And now your blog post will be shown on the front page of Multifamily Insiders.